Hey guys, Chase here from Trekking FAQs. Some of you have been asking about Island Peak and Lobuche East, which one's more challenging, which one's more enjoyable, what's the terrain like, that sort of thing. So I've put together this edit of our 2017 trip, which will show you a little bit of what it's like. If you have any specific questions about it, feel free to put it in the comment section below or contact me. My social links are in the description. All right, enjoy.
Malo, malo, malo eres, no se daña quien se quiere, no. Malo, malo, malo eres, no se daña quien se quiere, no.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That's our little video from our 2017 trip. Like I said, if you have specific questions, you can contact me on my social links below. You can also check out the vlog series that I started and didn't finish. I will get around to posting that, but I'll link it up in the card here above. Also, I've made a list of all of the gear that I used on that trip, what worked well, what didn't. There was 12 of us on that trip, so between the 12 of us, we really figured out what is the great gear, and I've put together a list for you, and it'll be in the description once it's finished. Looking forward to seeing you guys on the summit.